Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I recorded this Kim Kardashian Met Gala inspired look. I know it's been a minute. I missed you guys. I would have a chit chat live update soon later on, but nonetheless I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was really easy to do. I used my Morphe JACLYN Hill palette, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the pictures going off by I was trying to find a picture with her eyes closed.
Alright guys, to start off, I'm gonna pick up this shade from the JACLYN Hill palette and I'm gonna use it as my transition shade going back and forth in the crease. Alright, for this part, I'm going to pick up this brown color and I'm going to pack this slowly onto my lid just to build it up into the color that I want it to be. And here we are, just blending away. I take pretty much a while to blend out, so that's why I always have like fast forwarded parts just in case you guys wanted to know, but just make sure you blend. And on this part, I'm using the darkest shade from the Kat Von D palette since I didn't have like a brownie color, and I'm just packing that onto the lid. I'm picking up this brown shade just to blend all the colors together to make sure we get a seamless look.
Okay, so for the wing part, I'm gonna use tape just to make sure I get that line really crisp. I was gonna put my foundation first and then do this step, but since I'm gonna really smoke out black eyeshadow on the top lash line, I didn't want to risk any fallout and then me having to take the foundation out. So you want to get that dark brown eyeshadow we used the first time, and I used the bronzer in the Kat Von D palette just because in the JACLYN Hill palette there's a brown, but it was a little bit too deep, so I didn't want to risk it. So again, I'm just gonna buff that in the outer edge just to get that crisp line. Okay, and then for the wing on top, I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow and then I'm just gonna smudge it out. I'm gonna use this baby pencil and I'm just gonna dig in the black eyeshadow, and you wanna be very careful. Okay, so I brought you guys a little closer and I am about to go in. Basically do that, and then this is going to be smudged out, so even if it's not perfect, you don't have to worry about it too much. Does this even, oh my god. So this is a green eyeshadow. Whoops. Well, I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to just go over it with the black. Take a small brush like this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and buff it in like that. Do you see how it's starting to look smoky? That's exactly the look that you want to go for. And if the line disappeared like it did over here. You're just gonna go in with the black eyeshadow and pick it back up. Okay, so off camera, I applied an inner corner, like little wing, I guess. I use this, but you could use any eyeliner. Honestly, I just used some eyeliner that had this tip. And then I applied my lashes. I don't know what I'm wearing. They're from Amazon actually. So continue on the video. I'm just gonna go in with, oh, by the way, my camera had died. But to continue, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of contour and then deepen it up just a little bit more, because you know Kim K always has that intense contour, so I'm gonna leave it at that. For blush, I don't want to do too much. I still want to keep, you know, the contour as the main focus. So I'm gonna go in and use the NARS in Deep Throat. This is actually a really pretty shade. It's not too bright or anything, and it has a little bit of shimmer. And I'm using a Morphe E4, just like that. Okay, so for her lips, it looks like she has like a brown lip liner and like a nude lipstick. So I'm gonna go in with MAC lip pencil in Oak. Satin ribbon from the NYX lip lingerie line. I'm gonna go in with MAC lip liner and Spice.
Alright, so for this part, I'm just taking a little fluffy brush and a little bit of bronzer. And then lastly, you could pick up any nude lipstick you have on and then just top it all off with that. Thank you so much for watching!